the unicorn team model is comprised of the personal brand, the offer brand, and the company brand. And you can see them right here, right? Personal brand, offer brand, company brand. And they are run by 3 roles. And the word role is really important, okay? It's not about a person, although people fulfill the roles. It's more about, are your activities in the right bucket for your company, even if it's a tiny company, all right? So if you are the founder, you are what we call a visionizer. Why is the word visionizer instead of visionary? Many people have heard us being called visionaries. Well, I have a beef with the word visionary. I think that the word visionary has been used so generically that now people are suffering because they're like, I must not be a good visionary because I haven't been able to get what I want done. And the reason is a visionary is not an active word. It's a word about a title that says you're a dreamer, which is great. All of us have to be dreamers, but we also have to put action behind our dreams. And that's why there's the izer part on each one of these roles. So the visionizer is about having a vision and taking action on it, including understanding that you need to build a team to do so. Okay. The offer brand is where the strategizer owns that role. And the strategizer is the role that owns marketing and sales in the company. And you might go, oh my God, I do all of these. Yes, you do. Because in the beginning, in stage 1, you're the butcher, the baker, the candlestick maker, the janitor, and the CEO. You're all of them. And my point is that what we want to teach you is how to get out of that as quickly as possible. To know that it's worth to get out of it as quickly as possible. And don't worry, we're going to show you how in the next couple slides as well. Okay. So this is the area that is in charge of making sure that the offer sells. Bottom line, that the offer becomes known. It could also be called the product brand, right? The product brand or the offer brand. This is the actual thing that you're building or have already built that people are going to love because it's so freaking awesome, right? And it's awesome not just because it works, but it also has an incredible experience behind it, right? Which then moves to the mobilizer, which the mobilizer is the company brand. Ultimately, if you actually want to scale your business, and most of you should not be scaling your business until you're in stage 3 or stage 4, which we're going to talk about again in a minute. If you are in stage 1 or stage 2, you should not be scaling anything. You should be building your unicorn team and refining your message. That's it. So the company brand, and when I say this is, they're in charge of, the role is to build the company so that it can scale. And that when it does scale, that it can be operated without the strategizers and visionizers being so hands-on.